So the question is find the value of length AC, which is AC, and round your answer to nearest hundredth. At first, I will call AC X, and I will call CB Y, and I will call AB H. And before we solve this question, we need to apply trigonometric function because we can only apply when it is right triangle. And so let's review some trigonometric functions, sine, cosine, and tangent in order to apply one of those in this triangle. So for sine, it is opposite over hypotenuse, which is opposite side y over hypotenuse h. And it should be y over h. But we can't solve because there is no opposite y value. So we can't apply sine in this triangle. So let's say tangent. For tangent, we can't also apply it to this triangle because it is opposite over adjacent, but we don't know the opposite value of y. So for cosine is adjacent over hypotenuse, which is adjacent x value over hypotenuse h. So x over h. Even though we don't know the value of x, we know the h value, which is 2, so we can solve for x. Okay, so if you make equation, it will gonna be cosine of 20 will be equal to, it will be x over h, which is x value, we don't know it, so we'll just leave it as a variable, over h, hypotenuse, which is 2. And we need to find x, so we need to isosceles x in the right side. So that means we need to remove all the expressions to the left side, so we can multiply 2. So this term will cancel out, and you will left with 2 times cosine of 20 will be equal to x value. And I already calculated 2 times cosine of 20 values, but so it is 1.902113033. And if you look at the question carefully, it is round your answer to the nearest hundredth place. So that means we need to round it nearest hundredth place. This 100th place and this 1000th place, and it will give us 1.90 or just 1.9. So this value of x is approximately 1.90. I just used cosine value which is suitable for this triangle. And for the cosine, it was adjacent over hypotenuse. Adjacent over hypotenuse. And in the first step, we made the equation in order to find the value of x. And for second step, we removed every expression in the right side to the left side in order to isosceles x in the right side in order to find x value, and we calculated this expression 2 times cosine of 20, which will give us approximately 1.90. So the answer is x is approximately 1.90. And we are done.